Want to save money automatically with coupons and cashback straight from your Android phone? Coupert's mobile app makes it easy. In this video, I will walk you through installing and using Coupert app. The first thing you want to do is launch open your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here, search Coupert. Now you want to tap on the install option over here. As you can see, the downloading has started. Once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. After the application has been installed, tap on the open option. Now you want to sign into your account using your email and password. Create an account if you haven't done that already. Now from Coupert's home screen, you can tap stores and search for the retailers you want. Tap the store name, then hit activate cashback. Coupert will open store's mobile website. Now shop as usual through Coupert's browser window. After you check out, your cashback will appear in the earning sections of Coupert app within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. Coupert on Android is set up and ready to boost your savings on every purchase. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.